Hi guys, my name is Allie and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about A&P. And if you're new to the lingo, A&P means Anatomy and Physiology, which I am currently a student of. So I wanted to put together a little video for those of us who are kind of being thrown into it, not really sure what some of the term means. We're going to get into three things. I'm going to talk about the anatomical position and what that looks like. Pretty straightforward and super simple. I'm going to be talking about the three major planes and how those divide the body. I'm also going to talk a bit about just a brief little stint on two of the organ systems and how they help the body maintain homeostasis. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the anatomical position is pretty straightforward. It's the body's erect, palms facing forward, thumbs pointing away from the body, and feet slightly apart. So I'm gonna back up a bit so you guys can get a better look. So body erect, palms facing forward, arms by your side, thumbs pointing away from the body, and feet slightly apart. The next thing I'm going to talk a little bit about are the three major planes that divide the body into sections, right? So the first is the sagittal, the second is the frontal, and the third is the transverse. So I'm going to use a paper. I'm going to give a little paper illustration here. Bear with me. So the first is the sagittal plane, right? So the sagittal plane looks like this. It divides the body into the right side and the left side. So if you can imagine an imaginary line just going straight through your body, that's the plane that divides that section. It's the right side from the left side, and it's called the sagittal plane. The second plane is the frontal plane. Looks kind of like this. Goes through this way. So this plane divides the body into the anterior and the posterior. So basically front and back. So it would look like this. It would go in this way, straight through a horizontal line going straight through to the other side. And it divides your body anterior and posterior, which is front and back. That is the frontal plane. The transverse plane goes like this. So it basically separates the body, superior and inferior. So it separates the top portion from the bottom portion, superior, inferior. And that is the transverse plane. It goes in this way. So the two organ systems, guys, that we're gonna touch briefly on are the circular system and the lymphatic system and how those help maintain homeostasis. So the circular system, if I can remember correctly, please just bear with me. The circular system helps the body maintain homeostasis by transporting nutrients. So the circulatory system works with the respiratory system to exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen. The lymphatic system works to maintain homeostasis by regulating fluid buildup in the cells and helps fight infection. So there are other body systems and how they function and work together. If you guys would like to see another crash course video on that, just leave the comments below and let me know. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it helps someone out there. Like I said, leave the comments below, hit the like button if you want to see more, and I'll get with you guys later.